Hello everyone. In order to this problem, we have to solve Sudoku Solver problem, and which is a hard level problem in LeetCode. Yesterday we did solve Sudoku Solver as well, which was a medium level problem. All we had to find out is it a valid Sudoku or not. Today we have to place valid number on the empty box. Okay, so it's a bit hard one, but if you understand the concept, it will be the easiest one. Okay. So at first what I'm gonna do, mm, I'll try to copy the image. Yeah, it's okay now. Now the problem statement says like you have to solve this Sudoku and each row, column and subbox, 3 into 3 subbox will have 1 to 9 number, any number from them, and you have to make sure there is no duplicate number in each row and each column and each subbox. That's it. Like this is row and column and each subbox. 3 into 3 subbox. Okay, this is the simple concept. Now, how can you find it? So it's pretty much simple if you understand the concept. All you have to do, you have to run loop. From here you'll start and you'll check each and every empty cell. If it is empty cell, okay, you will place number 1 till 9. Okay, that's it. 1 till 9. That's it. It's the number you have to consider. So each time you have to put, okay, I'll put a 1 here and I'll check is there any other one in row or in column? That's it. If there is no one, just put one and go for the next one. Okay, I'll go next one. I'll put one. I'll start from one again. I'll check. Is there any other row? Is there any other one in this row? Yeah, there is one. So I'll put two. I'll put two. Then I'll check again. Like this, we're gonna solve. And also row, column, and I have to check the sub box. That's it. Now, to solve this problem, what we can do, we can start, we'll go with recursion. Okay, why recursion? We can solve this problem easily. Right, now I'll start from 0, 0, row equal to 0, column equal to 0, and try to find I'll try to find empty box. Okay, so here I find empty box, so it will be row 0 and column will be 2. Then I'll be checking. If it is not, then is it valid? Check the valid, I'll check row-wise, column-wise, and the subbox-wise. Subbox-wise, I'll be checking. And for the subbox, yesterday I've shown you like how to find out the subbox. All you have to do, just find the row number, row into 3, row divided by 3 into 3 into 3, and column divided by, my bad, column divided by 3 into 3. That's it. For example, this one. Okay. How can you find the which subbox number it is, right? So all you have to do, which number it is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 by 4. So 4 by 3, which will be 1, 1 into 3, which will be third one. Okay, yeah. And here again, 4 by 3 into 3, which will be 3. So 3 by 3 means row, and row will be 3 and column will be 3. This will be our starting index. If you go there, here it is, right? 3 by 3. So this will be our starting column, and we will go 3 from here and 3 from here, means row wise 3, column wise 3. For example, you need to find this one. So which one will be their starting index? Okay. So which number it is? 4, 5, 6, 7. This number is 7 and here is 4. Okay. So row is 7, column is 4. So I'll just write it here, or I'll just select everyone here. 7. So here row is 7, and column is 4, right? Now all you have to find our starting index. Here it will be starting, right? How can you find it? All you have to do, 7 divided by 3 into 3, means row divided by 3 into 3, which will be 7 divided by 3, which will be 2, 2 into 3, which will be 6. Okay, now for column, 4 divided by 3 into 3, which will be 3. So 6, row will be 6 and 3. Okay, now if we count, here it is 6 and 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this one will be our starting index, and from there we will go three, three index column wise, 3 index row wise. That's it, and here we can check all the characters. That's it. Now this problem you can understand while I'll be doing the code, so it will be more simple for me. So here the problem statement given the board, and we need row and column, and we'll be starting from 0 0. So you can put row column here as well, but what I like, I'll create a helper function and I'll be passing board, I'll be passing row which is 0 and column which is 0. It means row index and column index. Okay, now I'll create private here, and here helper will return a boolean value helper, and for board I'll be copying this one, paste it here. I'll be writing board int row int column. That's it. Now what I'll be checking, I'll be checking is it I can check. Yeah, I can check if both of row and column is not equal to or not equal to dot, then what you could do, just return again helper, both will be same, row will be same, and column plus plus or column plus one. That's it. If it is empty, then I'll be checking for int character equal to, I'll be starting from 1, and character less than or equal to 9. I'll be checking till 9, and character, my bad, and character plus plus. So I'll be checking, can I put 1 till 9? Here I'll be getting one helper function, or I'll be saying is valid. I'll be checking, can I put this one? So till now I don't know how can we check, but if it is valid row wise, column wise, then I'll pass it. So if it is valid, so how can I check? I'll be checking, I'll be passing both my current row, my current column, and my current character. So if it is valid, then just my board of row and column. Okay, my board and column will be a character. That's it. And if we got it, then we have to go for the next one, right? So I'll be checking if helper, again board, row, and column. For column, as I'll be checking the next one, so column will be plus plus. Yeah, column plus 1. That's it. And if we got it, then just return true. If helper function return true, then it's return true. Otherwise, I'll be going backtracking, so I'll be just putting the previous value here. I think that's it. And all I have to do here, I'll be checking if I got row equal to 9 means return true. What does this one means? Means if row get increased and row become 9, it's obviously true because till that number it didn't get any return false. So once it's going to out of bound, it will be definitely returning the true, right? Or if column is equal to 9, if column is equal to 9, here we can do we can increase the value of row, one column becomes 0, right? So here again, I can put this one and row plus 1 and column becomes 0. That's it. Because column become 9 means it will come here. So there will be only 8 index, right? So what I'm doing, I'm just increasing the value of row and putting column 0 again. So it will start from here. I think that's it. And all we have to do, we have to check is valid. Okay, so it will be returning a Boolean value, right? So is valid and code row column, it will be same. Just all I have to add, I have to add one character. So here, if I'm taking int, so here I'm taking as int, right? So int character is ch. That's it. Now here I'll be checking. I'll start from. I'll check first row one. So I'll be checking the column wise. So for int I j equal to 0, 0 less than 9, j plus plus, if code of I'm changing the value of j, right? So row will be same, column I'm checking. So column j, code of j is equal to my ch. Just return false. If I got this value, return this false. Okay. And I'll be checking the row wise. So here for each row, my column will be same. I'll check if I got the character, just return false, right? Now I've mentioned you how can you find the sub box row and column. So sub box row and column, or just I'll say row. Row I'll find all I have to do just row divided by 3 into 3 and column will be column divided by 3 into 3. That's it. Then for int I equal to I can start from row or I can start from row and I less than row plus 3. I'll go only 3 index, right? And I plus plus for int j equal to column j less than col plus 3 and j plus plus. That's it. And I'll be checking if code of I j is equal to my character, then return false. If it is not, then at the end return true. That's it. If I run my code, I made a mistake. Oh, yeah, bool, return true. Okay, so I have to return return false. It will not hit here, but still I'll return false. And it's successfully accepted. And now if I submit my code, accepted guys. Thank you so much.